they filled in the bottom of the driveway with tar. And they brought that car down that she's bringing up right now. They put it down at the bottom of the driveway so that they could take the tar and a couple of other things out of the back of that. And now what he's doing is, looks to me like he is rolling it over with this heavy Jeep, or a Jeep, to press it down so it's more than just a head of tamper. You know, one of those right there, that stick right in front of her. That's a tamper at about 10 inches square, and it just up and down, flattens whatever they did. So the tar that they did flattens, and now he's going over with a Jeep to crunch it a little bit more. Yeah, 'cause it's 90 fucking 3 degrees out right now, and there's a little bit of a breeze, and I might have to go riding this afternoon, 'cause I was out on my bike already today, up and down a couple of the streets behind me, and it is gorgeous. A nice little breeze. See that? Even the signs right there is moving up and down. So that's what he's doing. He's going over so it pushes it down. Then he's gonna come up here and see. They only did half of the driveway where the tarp is, and then they'll come back and do the other half. Good thinking. Good thinking, I guess.